After doing a secretarial course, there's some skills that people gain, and these skills have proven to be very, very essential and very, very sought after in the job market. So what are these skills that you gain after doing a secretarial course? That is the question that we'll be answering today. My name is Emma, and welcome to Finstock BizDoc, where we talk about businesses. This is a channel where we talk about businesses. We give you tips and insights on how to run, start, and manage your business. Today, we're going to be talking about the topic, skills you gain after doing a secretarial course. And one of the skills that you gain after doing a secretarial course is organization skills. Remember, when you're doing a secretarial course, you're dealing with files, you're dealing with large information. So one of the skills that you develop is organization skills, because you find that most of the times you will be dealing with files from different clients, and you need to be organized so that you don't lose these files. Because let's imagine you're in a company and you're dealing with customers from different backgrounds or with different documents, and you're having different departments handling these customers. And as the secretary, you really need to know which files are the ingoing files, the outgoing files. So you really need to have that skill of organization skills. And then another skill that you gain is the communication skills. Remember, you're dealing with people, so you have to know how to handle people, how to talk to people, how to communicate, because you're the link between the manager and the people in the organization. So you have to know how to communicate between these two and deliver information at the right time. And also the way you deliver this information is something that you find that after you have done a secretarial course, you improve your communication skills, because you find that whether it is oral, whether it's written, you're dealing with emails, you are taking phone calls, you're replying to messages, on WhatsApp. So as a secretary, taking a secretarial course really enhances your communication skills. Another skill that you gain after doing a secretarial course is administrative skills. This is where you know that you're dealing with managing calendars. You're also dealing with scheduling appointments, coordinating meetings. So all these administrative skills are embedded in your day-to-day life. So when you're dealing with people, you have to know how to administer them the right way, because if you miss out on how to administer them, you find that everything is in chaos. People don't know when they are supposed to be holding a meeting. People don't know when is the right time to do this and that. So you find that once you take a secretarial course, you find that your administrative skills are very sharp. And then another skill that you gain is technology proficiencies. Remember, you are a secretary. That means you'll be dealing with Word documents, you'll be dealing with data, you'll be dealing with making sheets, giving reports. So you find that you're interacting with softwares like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Edge, things like that, presentation. So you find that when it comes to being a computer literate person, taking a secretarial course really boosts you, and you find that you even going ahead and training yourself in how to be proficient in this in these softwares. You find that you are very good in Microsoft Word, you're good in Microsoft Excel, you're good in data analysis, you're good in Starter, because all these things. So you find that is one of the advantages of actually taking a secretarial course. And then another skill that you gain after doing a secretarial course is time management. Remember, as a secretary, you're dealing with deadlines. As your boss, they may tell you, I want you to schedule a meeting on this specific time. So you have to know which meetings, what is the order of the meetings in a day. Your boss, how many meetings is he having or is she having, and you have to allocate these meetings well and remind your boss that on this time you're supposed to have and this. So your time management skills are always top notch, because this is something that you have to do every time. You have to optimize your productivity. You have to know when is an event running, when is it not, when is it ending. So you find that your time management skills, they are always top notch. So those are the 5 skills that you gain after doing a secretarial course. There are many other skills that you gain. I hope you have learned a thing or two. If you have learned something, leave in the comment section and tell us what have you learned. And if you want me to do another video regarding any course, you can also leave it in the comment section. I'll be sure to do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure at the end of this video you like, you comment, subscribe, share, hit on the notification button so that every time I upload a new video, you can always be notified. And if you're interested in doing a secretarial course at Finstock Evarsity College, they offer online secretarial courses at a very affordable fee. And you can visit their website at www.finstockevarsity.com, or you can call them at 0703-313-722. Send them an email at info@finstockevarsity.com. Until next time, goodbye.